Hey, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to find some articles on your topic, employment and veterans, roughly, that's your topic. So I'm on the library webpage. I'm going to go to databases, this link right in the middle of the page. Click on databases, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Business Source Complete. It's a link right in the middle of this box here, Business Source Complete by EBSCOhost. You'll be asked to sign in with your last name and your Merrillhurst ID number. Once you do that, you're in there. So now we can start searching. Business Source Complete is a great database for finding articles from thousands of different journals, business-related journals and magazines. I want to expand our search a little bit. Right up here where it says Business Source Complete, I'm going to click where it says Choose Databases. I want to choose a couple more databases that'll bring in a lot of additional journals on different areas. The first one I'm going to click is Academic Search Complete, right up here at the top. This is a great database with lots of additional journals that might help us out. And let's see what else we want to pick. Right over on the left side, Military and Government Collection. There might be some great journals in here that will have some information on our topic. So I'm going to click that one. Anything else you want to click here, this is all I'm going to click, but there's some really good human science databases that bring in a lot more articles, a lot on health, lots of other things. I'm just going to go with these three. I'll say OK. I'm going to start my search pretty broad. I'm just going to type in veterans and employment. I'm going to get, and try to spell that right. I'm going to get a lot of articles doing this, like way too many. As you can see, I've got 122,000. That's a bunch of articles. Right away, I want to narrow it down. Over here on the left side, it says publication date 1896 to 2014. So it looks like there are some very recent articles here, but some that aren't so recent. I'm going to slide this little bar here. I just want stuff from the last, I'll say from 2009 to 2014. So that gets us down to 27,000. That's still a lot of articles. A couple more ways we can narrow this down. Up here where this says Veterans and Employment, it says select a field. That's a really strange way for them to say this is a keyword search. If I click on that and I click on subject terms, this just makes it more specific. That means the two search terms I picked, veterans and employment, are the subject terms. So I'm going to change that to subject and click there, and it should bring it down quite a bit. That gets it down to 1,200. That's still a lot of articles. But they're all articles with veterans and employment as subject terms. And from 2009, you can see down here on the left, to 2014. Also, I'm going to click scholarly or peer-reviewed journals. That way, it'll just give me the good academic peer-reviewed journals. It will leave out New York Times, Time Magazine, stuff like that. Down to 93 articles. So we've narrowed it down our search quite a bit. One more way I can narrow my search. No, actually, I'm not going to do that yet. I'm going to show you some of these articles are full text. If this is the title of the first article, all the information I would need for the APA citation is right there. If I click on the title, I will get an abstract that summarizes the information in the article. This is really good help. Also, I always want to point out over here on the right side where it says cite, if I click on that, I will get an APA citation. Not always perfect, but it does a pretty good job. I would go in and fix any errors I see with this specific citation, but it would save me a lot of time anyway. I want to go back. This one, if I click on PDF full text, I will get the full article. Some of these don't say that. The second article here does not say PDF full text. It says find full text at shown library. If I click on that, it'll tell me if we have it available in another database. It probably will say not available, which is what this says. This is saying it is not available. Basically, it's saying it's not available in our databases. But it's always good to click there because sometimes it is, and it'll give you a link right to the article in the other database. In this case, it does not, so I close this. If it is an article I want, I just click right over here where it says request item through interlibrary loan. All I have to type in is my name, my Merrillhurst ID number, and my email. And the article information is already there. I click submit, and I would get the article usually in just a couple of days. It would be emailed to me as a PDF file. I don't have to come to the library. It's free. So if you see any articles that are not full text, go ahead and request them. So from here we had 93 citations to look at. Remember, we limited our search to scholarly or peer-reviewed journals from the last 5 years, 2009 and 2014. And we limited our search to veterans and employment. And since we had so many to search from, I clicked on subject terms instead of select a field to make our search more specific. I hope this helps you out. Looks like there's a lot of good information here. Let me know if you have any questions, 503-699-6061, or reference at merrillhurst.edu. Thanks.